Chastleton is a Jacobean country manor house in Oxfordshire, England. Built between 1607 and 1612, the house was in the hands of the same family for over 400 years. It is now owned by the National Trust. As you walk through the rooms, you get a good feel of the age, for the National Trust has taken the approach of conservation, which they call controlled decay, rather than restoration. Chastleton House is famous for an episode from the English Civil War. In 1651, Arthur Jones was a royalist and had been fighting at the Battle of Worcester for Charles II. But the troops were defeated by Cromwell, and Arthur galloped back to Chastleton with Cromwell's soldiers in hot pursuit. His quick-witted wife, Sarah, hid him in the secret closet over the porch. And although the pursuing soldiers found his horse in the stables, they couldn't find him. Sarah saved Arthur's life by lacing the soldiers' beer with laudanum and saddling up one of their horses for his escape as they slumbered. The long gallery, with its barrel-vaulted ceiling and a length of 72 feet, is an impressive feature surviving from the period. However, it has been subject to damage, for neglect of the roof for almost 200 years led to the falling of part of its plaster. I always find the old kitchens in these houses to be the most intriguing. And this collection of pewter plates is quite awe-inspiring.
Chastleton, one of my very favorite National Trust properties. And in the background, the bucolic view of the sheep and the green fields and the dovecote my brain. Well, first of all, let me just say, this is a long day. This has been a very long day. And the driving is getting to me a little bit. But anyway, it's been worth it. And what I was going to say about Chastleton is that it is one of my very favorite properties. And I hope one day you'll get to see it.